I invite you to sit nice and comfortably in whichever way works for you. I'm going to invite you to close your eyes, to take a couple of slow, mindful, deep breaths. Just adjust or twitch or move the body in whichever way you need. And then again, notice how the breath flows in and how the breath flows out. That's it. And draw your attention to your third eye center or wherever you tend to visualize, if you're able to visualize. And if not, again, it's just a practice, like practicing to draw a stick figure. Visualization is the same. And I want you to imagine how it feels like when you have a really good night's sleep. Like, what does your good night's sleep look like? Does it mean you're like spread out across the whole bed? Does it mean that you snuggled up to someone? Is it nice and dark? What is the temperature like? Like, what does a good night's rest look like for you? How deeply are you sleeping? And then notice how you feel in the morning when that happens. And what would your morning look like if you were able to sleep deeply? Does that mean you would be able to get up feeling well rested? Does it mean you would get up with a bit more of a spring in your step? Do you have a little bit more maybe clarity and focus so you know exactly what needs to get done? And there's no decision fatigue that kicks in. And again, just realizing that a good night's sleep really is the key to having a good, productive day. Also realizing that that is not always the case. And what is it when you do not have a good night's sleep that you feel you need to help you support yourself through the day? Does it mean that you just need to take the foot off the pedal a little? And then just slowly drawing your attention back to the body and how it's feeling. And taking a couple of slow, smooth breaths in and out. You can bring the palms of your hands together, getting your hands nice and warm, rubbing them. And cupping them over your eyes, nurturing the eyes for a moment. You can blink the eyes a few times as you move those hands away, looking out of a window or a door, noticing the colors, nature, the different hues. Bring your attention inwards to a pretty picture. And then when you're ready, draw your attention back to the screen.